Hi children, good morning. How are you? Welcome back to our EVS online class. Children, did you write and study your previous work? I hope all of you have done your previous work. Children, what we studied in the last class? Yes, we studied about communication. First one, what is communication? Who knows this answer? Please answer. Do you answer? Yes, please say. Yes, very good. The exchange of ideas, feelings, or thoughts is called communication. Or students say loudly. The exchange of ideas, thoughts, or feelings is called communication. Second one, what are called means of communication? What are called means of communication? Do you answer? What is the answer? Please answer it. Yes. The different ways by which people communicate with others are called means of communication. Or students say loudly. The different ways by which people communicate with others are called means of communication. Last one. How does the postman help us? How does the postman help us? Answer is the postman brings letters and parcels from our friends, relatives, and officers. What is the answer? How does the postman help us, or what are the duties of postman? Yes, the postman brings letters and parcels from our friends, relatives, and officers. Students, you must study these answers. Okay? Today, first of all, I say about postal system. We send our messages on a postcard or an inland letter or in an envelope for sending messages to other countries. We use an aerogram. We purchase this from the post office. How do we get from these items? Yes, we purchase this from the post office. We can also purchase postage stamps from the post office. We can also get postage stamps from the post office. Can you see this picture? Yes, first one inland letter, this one envelope, this one aerogram, and last one postcard. Can you see? Then I say about how to write a letter to your friend. How to write a letter to your friend. Now I given some hints also. First of all, buy stamp, envelope, postcard, etc. from the post office. You must purchase or you buying stamp or envelope or postcard or from the post office. Next, dropping the letter in the post box. Dropping the letter in the post box. Then next, collecting letters from the post box. Collecting letters from the post box. Then next, sorting letters at sorting office. Then next, putting letters in post bags. Putting letters in post bags and sending post bags in RMS van. The last one. Children, what do we understand by RMS? In the postal logistics, two independent agencies, Indian Railways and Indian Post, work together. This joint service is called Railway Mail Service, means RMS. RMS full form Railway Mail Service. Railway Mail Service means the postal logistics to independent agencies, Indian Railway and Indian Post work together. This joint service is called Railway Mail Service or RMS. Last one, delivering letters in houses. Delivering letters in houses. For more than 150 years, the Department of Post has been the backbone of the country's communication. For example, if you want to post a letter, then here are the steps you need to follow. First, buy an envelope from the post office and inserting the letter inside the envelope. Paste it and write Speed Post at the top. Then mention the receiver's name, postal address and phone number on the left side of the envelope. You need to mention your details also. Details means name, address and phone number on the right side of the envelope. Next, hand over the envelope to the counter staff. He or she will calculate the rate according to the weight and destination. The counter staff will print and attach your shipping labels. Your letter will be delivered to its destination. Children, observe this address. Can you see the last in 6 digits number? What is this? Yes, this is the PIN code. What is PIN? Do you know its importance? Yes, it is very important to write the PIN. PIN means postal index number code in the address. PIN code is very important to write the letter. What is the full form of PIN? Postal index number. This will help our letters to reach the addresses on time. Then PIN code consists of 6 digits. PIN code stands for Postal Index Number Code, also known as Postal Code. PIN code is the post office numbering code system used by the Postal Services of India, India Post. The PIN was first introduced in India on August 15, 1972. Once again I say, PIN code stands for Postal Index Number Code, also known as Postal Code. PIN code is the post office numbering code system used by the Postal Service of India, India Post. The PIN was the first introduced in India on August 15, 1972. Children, do you know which is your nearest post office? What is its PIN code? Children, how many digits does a PIN code consist of? Yes, the PIN code consists of 6 digits. What is the full form of PIN code? Yes, Postal Index Number. All students say loudly, Postal Index Number. The next I say about how do the letters reach different places. How do the letters reach different places? First step, after writing the letter, we drop it in the post box. After writing the letter, we drop it in the post box. The postman takes out the letters from the post box at fixed times and carries them to the post office. Second step, the postman takes out the letters from where? From the post box. Can you see post box? Yes, this is the picture of post box. The postman takes out the letters from the post box at fixed times and carries them to the post office. They are sorted in the sorting section. They are sorted in the sorting section. After sorting, they are put into bags and sent to the concerned places by bus, train, ship or aeroplane. The bags reach the post offices and the postman delivers letters to the addresses. In this way, letters and money orders reach the persons to whom they are addressed. All students can understand about how do the letters reach different places. Speed post transfers our letters and parcels much faster, but it is a costlier. Means the speed post is a high-speed postal service provided by India Post, started in 1986. The goods and documents are delivered much more quickly. Children, take your EVS textbook and look page number 91. Let's inquire. Items are also given in there. Items are postcard, inland letter, post cover and aerogram. Postcard price 50 paisa. Inland letter 2 rupees and 50 paisa. Post cover 5 rupees. Aerogram 8 rupees and 50 paisa. Children, write this price in your EVS textbook. Okay? Children, then I say about telephone. Children, can you see telephone? This is the picture of telephone. Can you see? Yes. Telephone is one of the fastest means of communication. Telephone is one of the fastest means of communication. Which is the fastest means of communication? All students say loudly. Yes, telephone is one of the fastest means of communication. We can convey our message immediately through a telephone. We can send our message immediately through a telephone. We can give and receive messages at the same time through telephone. Using a telephone, we can talk to people anywhere in the world. Using a telephone, we can talk to people anywhere in the world. Which is the fastest means of communication? Yes, telephone is the fastest means of communication. Children, can you hear about STD code and ISD code? Yes, we use STD facility to talk to people living in other cities. We use STD code facility to talk to people living in other cities. Means what is the full form of STD? Do you know what is the full form of STD? Yes, subscriber trunk dialing. What is the full form of STD? All students say loudly. Subscriber trunk dialing. Subscriber trunk dialing facility to talk to people living in other cities. For talking to the people in other countries also. For talking to the people in other countries, we use the International Subscribers Dialing Facility. Means ISD facility. ISD is the telephone facility to talk to people living in other countries. ISD means International Subscribers Dialing. What is the full form of ISD? All students say loudly. International Subscribers Dialing Facility. All students can understand about what is STD and ISD. What is STD and ISD? All students listen to me very carefully. ISD is the telephone facility to talk to people living in other countries. ISD. ISD means International Subscribers Dialing Facility. But STD is the telephone facility to talk to people living in other cities. STD means Subscriber Trunk Dialing Facility. Children, what are the differences between ISD and STD? Yes, ISD is the telephone facility to talk to people living in other countries. STD is the telephone facility to talk to people living in other cities. Each telephone has a separate number. Each telephone has a separate number. What is your telephone number? What is your STD code? Do you know? What is your telephone number and what is your STD code? Children, take your EVS textbook and look page number 92. Let's make a telephone index. Name of friend, telephone number. Complete this table. Okay? Now I give some homework for you. Write in your EVS notebook. First one, how many digits does a pin code consist of? Second one, which is the fastest means of communication? Which is the fastest means of communication? The last one, write the difference between IST and STD. Last one, write the difference between IST and STD. The next, draw the picture of a letter box and color it. Draw the picture of a letter box and color it in your collection notebook. Now I wind up this class. I hope you can understand this class. If you have any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp. Thank you.